Okay, we have a Nardini Logic 175 CNC lathe, serial number D5JFP476. It has a upgraded 2016 Centroid control version 10.
Yes,
CNC 10. It's 13.77 inch swing by 19.29 centers, and we're going to run it around for you. First, the pneumatic tailstock, number 3 Morse taper, 3-inch stroke. Okay, we're going to jog the axes around. Using the pulse generator. So I have a rapid. The axes, motors, and the ball screws sound good. We have 3 different spindle speed ranges. It goes from 12 up to 4,000 RPM. You have an A25 spindle nose with a 2-inch spindle hole.
2,500 in the high range.
2,500 in the high range.
1,500 in the high range. That's 500 in the high range again.
Medium range.
That's 1,000.
1,000 in the medium range.
500.
500 in the medium range, and then we'll shift it into the low gear.
That's the middle or low range.
Okay,
That's 250.
250 in the low range. So you saw the low, high, medium range, you saw the axes jog around, you saw the tailstock move by pneumatic. Machine also has a coolant system, and I believe that is our video. Thank you for watching.